Hi everyone, and welcome to week 14 of Writing 111. I'm posting this video a little bit early this week because tomorrow's Easter, and I want to make sure anyone who needs to get a jump on the week has a chance to do that. So this week for media, I've posted some things to help us start thinking about how writing works on a visual level. A lot of this is infographic and motivational because I know that as spring turns nicer and nicer, it's harder to remember to get your work done. And you should be touching your draft almost every day at this point. Your draft is due to me on Tuesday, so make sure that you have submitted something that I can meaningfully see your progress with. If you are working on something that needs more explanation, or if you include bullet points or an explanation of what you're planning to do in a section, that's okay. It doesn't have to be like fully polished up. Later on this week, we'll engage in peer review the same way that we have in the first two assignments. So you'll submit your paper to your group on Wednesday, and then you should finish commenting by Saturday. In week 15, you'll submit a final draft of your third essay, which is addressing a community problem. In week 16, there's no final exam, no specific time we're going to meet, but I will submit a reflection assignment where you'll think about your growth over the semester and about yourself as a writer. So that's what we have going on this week. I look forward to seeing you all in class on Tuesday. Take care.